This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming permissions and devices so recording won't fail later. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and have organizer or presenter rights. Those roles allow recording. Connect your headset or test speakers and microphone, then select the correct camera. Once done, open the meeting window and review settings to confirm cloud recording is enabled and your organization allows it. Doing these first avoids interruptions because missing permissions or wrong devices are the most common blockers. You now start recording during the live meeting. Click the More Actions menu, the 3 dots, then choose Start Recording. Consider also starting transcription for captions. Announce the recording to participants out loud and pause if someone objects so you can resolve permissions. This ensures compliance and clear audio. Watch for the recording indicator in the corner and verify captions appear if used. If any audio or video lags, stop and restart quickly to create a clean file, then resume the session to preserve continuity. You finish by stopping the recording and letting Teams process the file. Click More Actions and stop recording, then confirm the recording appears in meeting chat or the link channel. Once processed, download or share the OneDrive/SharePoint link and set access permissions for viewers. If the recording is missing or shows error, check that your role and organizational policy allow cloud recordings, verify network stability, and confirm OneDrive storage quota and access rights. If issues persist, sign out,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.